Quiet! Alright, let's start off this way. What the heck?
My ex-wife is chasing me again!
Again?
Yes!
Okay, that girl is... I told you not to marry her, but you did. And I told you what would happen, but did you listen?
I'm sorry!
Now go deal with it by yourself. You got yourself into this.
Oh, I better work for Sonic.exe to deal with this.
Of course you would.
Prisoner.
Actually, you wouldn't. Alrighty. Okay. Roll call, everybody, you idiotic, gimmick, stupid dum-dums. Why'd you press the claw on him?
Because he's not saying words correctly. Bring him back!
I've seen things that I'll never be able to forget.
What you put down there? Do you really want to know? No, I do not.
Oh, that's disgusting. Alrighty, roll call, people. Jack Thumper, Brad Jack Thumper, Chris.
Here!
Here, amigos. All right over here. Okay. Freddy Fazbear, Bonnie Fazbear, Foxy Fazbear, and Derpy Foxy Fazbear.
Here.
Here. Okay. Circus Baby, Funtime Freddy, Ballora, and Ennard.
Like here. Here.
Right here.
Here. Hunter Freddy's an idiot here.
Hey!
It's true!
Okay. Darth Pig and Son of Pig. I am here.
Here.
Darth Goofy and Donald Trooper.
Here! Here!
Giant arm that is mimicking our voices in the background.
Here?
Okay, good. Okay. Nightmare and...
What?
Why do you have to make me come? I already get hurt enough in these stupid videos.
Too bad. You're in. So too bad. And you're my teacher and we need a dragon.
Larry.
What?
Button. Alright. Clone Bowser Jr. Right here. Hammer brother. It's just Hammer bro, mate. You're Australian? Sorta.
Just say here.
Here, mate. Stitch.
He's here.
Nightmares.
Here. 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 I'm the cupcake here. What?
That makes no sense, Cupcake.
I hate you so much.
And I'm here too! Yeah, because I was about to ask. Okay. My brother, Dry Bowser, right here. And his freaky and madly insane son, Dry Bowser Jr. Ah!
Puppet. Here.
Oh yeah. Be more. Talk more. I forgot you were even here.
I will talk as much as I want.
Okay, that's just freaky.
Why is he talking so quiet?
I don't know. Alright, people. Did you give him the memo?
What memo?
Nah, whatever. Alright, people. As you don't know, on the tracker we have recently discovered the location of Dr. Turkey Emo Birdoctria. Dr. Turkey!
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, jump!
Shut up, Ennard!
You shut up!
You shut up!
You shut up!
You
Don't
shut up!
turn it up!
Button.
Continue.
Alright, so we need to all devise a plan to get through this alive.
Why is he hanging out there?
What?
He's hanging right there.
That's because I have weak leg muscles.
Let's leave him be.
You don't have muscles, dude. You don't even have skin. You don't have anything but bones and some hair.
Let's get to it.
All French taken.
Let's get to it.
Alright. I'll be the lookout outside of his prison.
All right, Thumper, Jack, Chris, bring in the big guns.
Oh,
yeah. You know. Hey, don't go Joker.
I wasn't going Joker. I was going.
Okay, weird.
Huh.
Alright.
I don't know what I can do to kill somebody. Sometimes when I talk to people about my life story, it makes them fall asleep.
I'm just gonna open the trap door. Did you see what I put down there?
Yeah.
Dad!
Okay, so who is going to be the? Oh my goodness! People start saying ideas.
Use Funtime Freddy to kill people. Wait a minute. No.
We'll use him as a human sacrifice.
There. How about Wendy? We don't like her.
Wendy will also be a human sacrifice.
I don't want to be human sacrifice. No.
Larry will also be a human sacrifice. Morton, you will jump up and down if I tell you to.
Yee! No! How do we end up back in the same position?
Because we don't follow logic.
Good point. Go!
Okay. Alright, mates. I know exactly what I can do. I was in Bowser's army for more than 20 years. I have beaten up people so badly that I have beaten their bones so badly that I made it into soup and drank it. Oh.
Trapdoor?
No, not yet.
Okay.
So, I will be the French warrior running at them, throwing my hammers, beating them to death.
Now?
No. That's a good idea. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so, what are we gonna do with the mentally insane one?
I say we let them be distracted.
You! Huh? Would you be able to, chase some of them off? Yeah, he's really good at that. Ah!
So plan settled?
Circus Baby, what are you gonna do?
Destroy anybody in my way. Oh my god.
This is a children's channel.
They use on Henry Danger.
We're not Henry Danger.
Okay.
Why can't we say it though? They use it on Nickelodeon all the time. Oh, no. Do I look like a Nickelodeon?
No.
Well, you,
But
well, you got the orange and the trapdoor.
Well, looks like he's gonna have to witness that again. Do you get? What do you put down there? Seriously, do you really want to know? Seriously, no, I do not.
All right. Let's see. Laura, can you do anything?
I'm blind.
Can you hear?
Yes. No, I can. Actually, I'm lying. I can see. My eyes just never open. It's so creepy.
I think I'm afraid to sleep now.
Yeah, me too. I will always be watching you. I see we get to play now.
Yeah. Let's see. Fazbear's.
What?
Yeah, boy. Did you really just call him boy? Yeah, why?
He's a man. He's like 1,000,000 years old.
11 trillion. Oh, you used that song.
I say we send him to the trapdoor for calling you a boy. On it.
Now, I think me and Bonnie will be able to. Me, Bonnie, and Puppet nodded do the camera thing.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Everyone else, you're all gonna be warriors.
Let's go.
And if you don't want to be, then too bad. You already signed up for the job.
Let's move.
Right, I didn't sign up for the job. You just told me to come. You told me you were dying on the floor. I was lying.
Let's ride. in like Gale Soul? Yeah!
And so, we began our journey.
No,
But
they're
will
already.
we make it? We will never know. Dun 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 dun. Is this still wrong?